Unit 1 Chemistry, Chapter 6, Part 2, Representing Covalent Bonds. So there's a number of different ways we can show a covalent bond. One of them you can see in front of you right now. So we can draw a circle to show the outer shell. We can then put non-bonding pairs of electrons on that and making sure they are paired up. And then it's a little bit like a Venn diagram. In the overlapping bit, that's where we put our bonding pairs of electrons. Okay. Sometimes you might see this where one element's represented as dots and the other one as crosses, but it's not necessary. Okay. The other thing we can do is same idea, but without the circles. Okay. So you simply just write the element in the center, put the dots around it, still in pairs. Okay. And if it's a double, we'd put 4 dots together. And then you put the other element that's bonding on the opposite side of it. Okay, it's exactly the same as the one we were showing before, but without the circles. For those ones, they're both called Electron Dot Formulas, and it's entirely your choice whether you use the circles or not. Whatever you think keeps your work neatest and clearest, that's what you should choose. The other one is called a valence structure. Now, if it's asked for a valence structure, then you can't do one of these. You've got to do it like this. In a valence structure, instead of using dots, we use lines. Each line represents a pair of electrons. So in this case here, this one is a non-bonding pair. Okay, this one's a non-bonding pair. And these ones, which go from one element to another, they're your bonding pairs. Same thing here. Okay, this double bond shown by 2 lines because it's 2 bonding pairs, 4 electrons in total. Now this one you'll notice is a bit of a strange shape. We'll come to that in the next chapter, so don't worry too much at the moment about the shape that you draw them in, but do make sure that you always draw in both bonding and non-bonding pairs.